Novelties from Danfoss, Deb, IMI. The high-profile acquisition of the well-known boiler brand by the Ariston Group. Announcement of the opening of Viega World. Pumping equipment manufacturer DUB has updated its product, Divertron. In addition to the external design, this pump got a new engine, easy accessibility of capacitor of maintenance, a retractable handle for easier installation. Danfoss has expanded its range of ABQM 4.0 balancing valve for heating and cooling system. The Flexo ABQM 5.0 fan coil kit is now available in 15 and 20 size and comes as a prepared sampled and pressure tested kit. IMI Hydronic has expanded the range of the TA smart valves with size DN100 and DN125. Frese released an updated version of PV compact valve called PV Compact Spectrum Series, with a convenient handle for adjustment. Available sizes are DN15 to DN15. The Portuguese from Heliroma presented a new 5-layer pipes, Roma Plus 5 PRT above 5 layers, diameter 16, 17, 20 and 25 mm. Multimechanica from Italy presented a new magnetic filter DF Compact Magnum for heat pumps. Nibco has two novelties at once: expansion of line of fitting of word presser system and also a new device for a manifold with drainage and valve propel multiport. The Italian company Eurotubi has added carbon and stainless steel ball valves to its range. Conex Banninger has announced that the B-press gas and Conex compression series of fittings have been deemed hydrogen ready in accordance with IR 2014 standard. Important news from the boiler equipment market. Ariston Group announced the acquisition of 100% of Centrotec climate system from Centrotec SE. For us, this company is better known because it included such a manufacturer of climate equipment as Volkswagen. The purchase price is 635 million euro in cash. Another acquisition, BDR Thermea Group bought Fortes Energy System. Fortes Energy System is from Netherlands and is a specialist in the field of heat pumps and hybrid systems. The main markets are Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, Great Britain and Denmark. German polymer solution giant Ostendorf Kunststoffe is acquiring Trierplast L, Spanish plastic pipe manufacturer. The manufacturer of polymer system Aquatherm GmbH has opened a new Aquatherm campus. It is located at the company headquarters in Ostendorf, Germany. This place was created for meetings with clients and for internal training. Group Atlantic opened own new plant for the production of water heaters in India. The area of plant is 12,000 square meters. With this plant, Atlantic will reach a production capacity of 600,000 water heaters per year. KANtherm is expanding its office and the production space in Białystok. A third part of the work has already been completed. The new buildings will be equipped with solar system and heat pumps with a capacity of 1 MW. And Viega will open our new Viega World office center in the first quarter of this year. The following events will take place in February: Aquatherm in Slovakia, Euroshop 2023 in Düsseldorf, HER Expo Atlanta, USA, and Big 5 Saudi. That's all, I'm Evgeny Semenchuk, see you next month.